Good day, Metaverse DNA supporters. This is a tutorial to help you swap your current DNA tokens stored in the ETP wallet to the DNA web wallet. Just make sure you have your ETP wallet password handy and your DNA wallet created. Once you've already logged in to your DNA wallet, click on the drop down on your username. Now, click on Asset, scroll down, and click Cross-Chain Receive. Keep this window open because you need your official token swap address and your DNA wallet deposit address. Open your ETP mobile wallet or web wallet in a separate window. Look for DNA and click Send. For the recipient address, you need to copy your official token swap address. For the amount, you can send all of your DNA tokens or a small portion of your tokens to try and test the swap process. And now, click on Show Advanced Options. In Public Message, copy and paste your DNA wallet deposit address. Once you've done that, click Next, and you will see your transaction details. Enter your password, and sign in and send. Now go back to your Metaverse DNA wallet. The process will take up to 2 to 3 minutes before it finalizes. Now, thank you everyone.